Wow. Hey, this looks a lot different from last time. Paint, cosmetically, it looks good, dude. Excellent. Well, you got AC running.
Yeah.
It's been a while for AC in there today. Wow. Hey, this looks a lot different from last time. Paint, cosmetically, it looks good, dude. Could you give me a rundown on everything real quick? Equipment and everything?
Bandit AK.
Turn it down.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Very good.
Bandit AK 1 ohm, 2 ZB415s, prototype, 45 amp hour. Oh yeah, that's her right there.
All right.
Yeah,
and the tunings?
I'm still
learning them?
Still learning.
Okay, don't worry about it. Hey, when you throw it on the meter, you'll start. Do you have your meter in it yet?
No, I haven't.
You haven't? Okay, when you do that, you'll know your peaks. So.
Exactly.
Yeah. All right, cool. Yeah, I'd love to hear it. Is that if I roll the window down?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. Because as a man, you'll always ask.
All right, yeah, go ahead.
Yep. All right. I'm ready.
All right.
Feel some of that AC. Right here.
That sounds good.
Yeah.
I got RCA problems right now, so it
Might cut off? Okay.
hopefully not though, let's hope not.
Show me the balcony, looking over the Hollywood Valley. I make a balloon pop. I'm on my way. DJ Khaled. You been thinking about doing anything you wanna, let emotion roll your mind, roll your mind. We the best music. DJ Iceberg. And I say, just tell me where to find your mind, on your mind. See, I can see Show me the balcony, looking over the Hollywood Valley. I make you a boom pop.
Wow, appreciate it, man. It's a big difference when you have it up and down. Yeah. You can feel the lows a little bit and then the highs, so I appreciate it, man. Yeah, thank you. Problem, nice to meet you again. Team Heavyweight.
Yeah. All right.
And your name?
Christian.
Christian. All right. Have a good day, man.
You as well, man. Thank you.
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.